Don't tell me that. I'm beating your ass. I'm beating your ass, bro. Fucking serious, nigga? Is you fucking serious, bro? Is you fucking serious, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why? Why would you do that, bro? Why would you do that? Why? There was no fucking reason! No fucking reason! Why? Come on, bro! Come on!
Oh, God,
Come on!
Oh God, I'm about to sleep.
No reason! No reason!
Oh God, oh God. Can't tell. I'm gonna jump out my window right here.
What the fuck? There was no fucking reason! No fucking reason you rushed!
Like, why did we even talk about?
Why the fuck would you do that? What the fuck is wrong with this dumbass nigga? Why would I do this with you? He is so fucking stupid. So fucking stupid. I mean, like, honestly. Like, what was the point? I said it's lava. Right fucking below. Right below! Like, what the fuck is wrong with you, bruh? Like, real nigga shit! What the fuck is wrong with you, bruh? That ass, bruh! There was no reason to do that! Like, what the fuck is wrong with this dude? So stupid! It's not even funny, bro! This shit not even fucking you selling! We had the plagiarize everything! Like, it's not even, like, do you want, like, I don't get it! I don't get it, bro!
I wanna get off, bro.
I don't get
I wanna
it!
calm down. Bro, get me off the shit. Bro, I fuck this shit. I done fucking fix this shit.
Come on, bro! Like, you gotta be trolling!
Give me off this shit right now.
God, there's no way you're trolling, bro!
Give me off this shit. Give me off this shit. Give me off this shit. Nah, bro. I'm ass. I fucking suck. I'm done. I can't do this shit no more. I can't fucking do this shit no more. Dude, I can't fucking shit no more.
What is wrong with this dude, bro? What is wrong with him? Like, for real? Like, this nigga needs Samuel Jackson again, bruh. Like, you is stupid as fuck. You stupid black fucking bitch. I fucking hate you, you stupid fucking bitch. You keep wasting my fucking time every fucking day. Stop fucking doing stupid shit. You stupid black ass fucking motherfucker. You pissing me the fuck off!
Hey.
Oh God, bro! I'm fucking Ronaldo, I'm not playing with you, bro! You keep doing stupid stuff! I'm not playing! You keep doing stupid shit, bro! What is wrong with this dude? He keep doing stupid shit! I'm not even playing! You're wasting my fucking time doing this stupid ass shit! Bro! Oh my goodness, bro! What is you doing? I don't get this dude. Like, I don't understand. What are you doing? What the fuck? frustrated. Like, what is going on? I don't get that shit. I don't get it. Did he break his whole setup? Did he break his whole setup? Did he break his whole setup?
This is fucking stupid.
He broke his whole setup. He broke his whole setup. Like, I don't, on my life, I genuinely don't understand, though. Like, I genuinely don't get it. What went through his head? Like, did this nigga think he was Superman? Goku? Like, who the fuck he thought he was? LeBron James, nigga? Like, who do you think you are?
That was the dumbest shit I ever did in my life.
The stupidest shit.
That was the dumbest shit I ever
did. Genuinely.
Oh my god! Fuck! That's 4 times! That's 4 times! That's 4 fucking times!
Like, I told you not to do it. There's lava.
That's 4 fucking times!
I told you.
4 fucking times, bruh!
Like, I literally told you not to do it. It's lava.
My shit is good.
Not to do it. It's lava. Like I said it. Like I said, not to do it. It's lava. I literally said that. Not to do it. It's lava. And you still did it. I don't fucking went. Like, what went through your fucking head? Like, G shit, bro. What? Like, no, like, real G shit. What went through, what went through your fucking head? Like,
4 times every time.
Like, G shit, bro. What?
Shit.
Like, what went through your head, bro? G shit, bro.
You're helping me, bro.
What went through your head? Like, I genuinely want to know what went through your head. Like, why?
Bro, Speed.
Bro, I don't get.
If you can't do this, bro, I give you the pass, bro.
You can't do it, nigga. What the?
I know. I'm letting you I'm giving you the pass, bro. I'll do this shit. I'll sit here. I'll do this.
You're doing this
I'll give you the pass, bro. I'll give you the pass. You deserve to be free, bro. You deserve to be free, bro. You deserve to be free, bro. You deserve to be free. At this point, you deserve to be free, bro.
Listen, Kai, that's self-pity bullshit.
You deserve to be free, man.
Kai, that's self-pity bullshit.
You deserve to be free. I can't do this shit, dude.
That's
You deserve to be free. I'll sit here, bro. I'll sit here. You deserve to be free.
Kai, that's self-pity bullshit.
That was by far the dumbest shit I ever did in my life. You deserve to be free, bro. Be free, bro. You deserve to be free. That was the dumbest shit I ever had in my. That was the dumbest shit I ever did in my life. That was the dumbest shit I ever did in my fucking life. The dumbest shit I ever fucking did in my fucking life, my nigga. Why the fuck? I never used a boat. When the last time I used a boat? When was the last time I ever used a boat in a fucking Nether?
Bro.
Oh, you deserve to be free, bro. Nah, this nigga deserve to be free, chat. Fuck all that, bro. I'm dumb as fuck. This nigga deserves to be free, bro. This nigga, bro, literally, if you want to leave, bro, leave, bro. You deserve to be free, bro. I don't know what the fuck going on anymore, bro. You deserve to be free. On God, I won't be mad, bro. On God, nobody's gonna be mad, bro. On God, everybody's not gonna be mad, bro. On God, bro. Like, dead ass, bro. You deserve to be free, bro. There's no helping me, bro. There's no helping me. This shit is ass, bro. You deserve to be free.
Kai, if you can't even do it with 2 people, What fucking makes you think you could do it with one, bro? Stop that self-pity bullshit. Nobody want to hear that self-pity bullshit. We both came in here and knew what the fuck we was getting ourselves into.
I can't even hear you right now, bro. I can't hear you. Don't know where my headset is at. It's over. Oh God, that was the best run. That was probably the best. God, I'm done with this shit. I'm not good at sports. I'm not good at fucking sports. Nigga, I'm not even good at fucking video games. Nigga, I'm not good at shit. I'm fucking worthless, nigga. Fucking worthless. I'm fucking useless. I can't do shit right, bro. I can't do not a goddamn thing. I can't do shit. I can't do shit, bro. I can't do. I'm fucking useless, nigga.